Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a post on your YouTube channel. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right, then select View Your Channel. Once you're on here, you should see the option for posts, so you just want to click on that. And when you're on here, you should have the option to write in some text here if you want to do that. Obviously paste something in, like a link or whatever you want on there as well, like I've done below. And you can also add images, add an image poll, a text poll, a quiz or a video. So obviously you can click on these and do whatever you want on here. So if you want to add an image, just click on there and you can add an image from your computer if you want to do that. Then you can select Edit Preview. You can obviously adjust whereabouts on the picture that you can view. Then just select Save Preview. And you can go back up to it. You'll have the option to schedule post, or you can just select post if you want to put it on your channel straight away. But if you want to schedule it, just click on there. Just click on there, and then obviously you can change the date and the time you want to do that. And once you've sent the post on your YouTube channel, you can click on these three dots on the right hand side. It gives you the option to edit or delete it if you wish to do so. Thanks for watching.